If you're seeing the GIMP error opening directory permission denied message on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get GIMP opening files and folders properly again. This is a common issue, especially when Windows security settings, app permissions, or the wrong installation version are getting in the way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to whitelist GIMP in Windows security, run it with administrator access, and reinstall the correct version if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's check Windows Defender controlled folder access, because this feature can block GIMP from opening certain directories. Controlled folder access is designed to protect your files from unwanted changes, but sometimes it also blocks trusted apps by mistake. To fix that, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type controlled folder access, and open the setting from the search results. Once the page opens, look for the option that says Allow an app through controlled folder access. Click that, then choose Add an allowed app. From there, click Browse all apps. Now locate the GIMP executable file on your computer. It's usually named GIMP-2.10.exe or whatever version you currently have installed. Select it carefully, then add it to the allowed list. This tells Windows Defender that GIMP is safe and should be allowed to access your folders normally. After whitelisting it, try opening GIMP again and see if the permission error is gone. If you still get the same problem, the next fix is to run GIMP as an administrator. Sometimes the issue is simply that GIMP does not have enough permission to access certain files or folders on your system. To do this, find the GIMP shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it, then select Properties. In the Properties window, open the Compatibility tab. Here, you'll see a checkbox that says Run this program as an administrator. Turn that on, then click Apply and then OK to save the change. Now, launch GIMP again using that shortcut. Running it with administrator rights can bypass restricted user access and often clears up directory permission issues right away. If that still doesn't solve it, there's one more very important thing to check: which version of GIMP you installed. The Microsoft Store version of GIMP runs inside an isolated Apex container, and that can cause file access problems with local folders and directories. If you installed GIMP from the Microsoft Store and you keep seeing permission denied errors, the best solution is to uninstall that version and install the official standard desktop version instead. To do that, open Settings, go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. Find GIMP in the list and uninstall it. After that, go to the official GIMP downloads page and download the standard.exe installer directly from the official website. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it and choose Install for all users if that option is available. This gives GIMP proper system access outside the restricted store container and usually fixes the directory permission problem for good. After reinstalling, open GIMP again and test the same folder or file you were trying to access before. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem completely. If controlled folder access was blocking it, whitelisting the app should do the trick. If permissions were the issue, running as administrator should help. And if the Microsoft Store version was causing the error, reinstalling the official version is usually the final fix. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.